Hi everyone, it's Milani and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I wanted to just do a quick get ready with me sped up version, but everything I used was Drugstore. I do show you everything I use. I don't do any talking. So if you want to see how I got this look and what products I used, please keep on watching. So this is the completed look. I really like the way everything turned out. I did try a couple of new products, so I'm just going to give you a quick first impression mini review on a few of these products. The first one is from Black Radiance. This is a True Complexion Contour Palette. This is in the shade Light Medium. I used all three of these shades and they all went on really, really well. I was really surprised about the highlighter also. I wasn't too sure how I was going to feel about it, but it went on really nice, and a little went a very, very long way. And as well as the contour shades as well, they super, super pigmented. You only need a little. The next product I want to talk about is this primer right here. I got this in... It was one of those free gifts at Ulta, and this is their primer and hydrate and smooth. It kind of went on like a lotion. I didn't have any issues with my foundation going on. It actually helped everything go on really nice. It didn't make my skin feel greasy. Everything looks pretty good, so far so good on that. The other product that I tried out for the first time is this Morphe product right here. This is the Brow Cream in the shade Java. I think it's a really nice shade for an everyday brow. I do need a little help with my brows since I don't really have much, and you know, when you don't have much of something, you want a little extra of it. So I think I may need to go in with a darker shade just to kind of add in like certain spots of my brows. I did go in with my NYX brow pencil just to darken up any areas I need a little extra help, but so far this wasn't bad. This is only my first time using this, so I don't have a full review on it, but so far I like the color for an everyday, so we'll see how that goes and how it holds up in a couple of weeks. And the last product that I tried out for the first time is this guy right here. This is the City Mini Palette with Shayla from Maybelline. I only use two shades, which are these two right here, and they went on really creamy, really pigmented, really buttery, really smooth, and there was absolutely no fallout. I do want to use this entire palette and create a full look, you know, just pretty much using this so I can really test out all the shadows. So that will probably be coming soon in a new video, well, in a video soon. But yeah, overall, I really liked the way this look turned out. I just wanted to try out some products and, you know, film something that was just strictly and only drugstore. I think the only thing that, I mean, everything is pretty much affordable. I think Morphe is the only product that's not really considered drugstore, but it's $5, so it's an affordable category. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.